All right, what's happening, guys? This is Jason again from Carolina Camper Van. Hope you're doing well out there. This morning, we're actually gonna go sea kayaking in Shem Creek, which is in Mount Pleasant, South Carolina. Shem Creek's heritage kind of dates back until the 1700s, where they used to actually build boats along this creek. Today is packed with seafood restaurants and shops, and the old shrimp boat still dock here, which is pretty cool. So what we'll do is we'll put in here, like I said, at Shem Creek, and we'll paddle out about a mile, and that'll take us to Crab Bank Island, which is a bird sanctuary. So we'll get out there and take a look around, and as long as the wind doesn't kick up too much, we're gonna try to go out to Castle Pickney, which is a fort that was built in 1810. So again, from Crab Bank Island, that's probably about a 1.5 mile paddle. It is kind of windy today, so I'm just gonna see how choppy the harbor is. But yeah, it should be fun. So come join me as we explore Shem Creek. All right, we'll talk to you shortly. Bye.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on.
Hey, how are you? Good, good. All right, we made it to Crab Bank Island. There's some birds over there relaxing. I don't want to disturb them. So yeah, I guess what we'll do is we'll try to go ahead and paddle over to Castle Pickney. The wind's blowing about, I don't know, 10, 15 out of the northwest. The water's not too terribly choppy. So yeah, let's give it a whirl. See if we get up close to Castle Pickney. right, guys, we're almost here. So the name of the island is called Shuttes Folly Island. So what we'll do is we'll circumnavigate the island, and then we'll pop on the backside and go check out Castle Pickney. And then, as you can see behind me, we got these cargo ships coming in. So always gotta be careful when you're crossing these waters. But anyway, let me go ahead and get over to the island. We'll, like I said, we'll circumnavigate it and we'll pop out on the other side over there. All right, see you in a few. All right, this island just has a ton of oyster shells just stacked up. And then behind me over there, we got the Carnival Sunshine, leaving out of Charleston. It's good to see everything coming back to life after COVID. All right, got a little more paddling until we hit Castle Pickney. All right, guys, we made it out to Castle Pickney. Pretty awesome. Again, the fort was built in 1810. A little bit of history for you. About 2 weeks after South Carolina seceded from the Union in 1860, they actually overthrew the Union forces here, and it became a Confederate fort for a brief period during the Civil War. And they would actually keep some prisoners of war in the jail here, as well as have the artillery with their cannons and stuff. So if you ever get an opportunity, come check out this place. It's really cool. It's rich in history. All of Charleston is, for that matter. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to y'all next time. All right, take care of yourselves. All right, bye.